The minute the two or the three, because it's a three-way thing, there's the stepmom, there's the biological dad, there's a biological mom. The minute these three are not aligned, there will always be problems, especially when it comes to disciplining children. You will always have a problem.
And if you don't know who you are and what role you play in the relationship as well, then there's not going to be structure and boundaries.
Two, if men don't play their role as men, there won't be boundaries. You understand? So one, your husband is not supportive, there won't be boundaries. If he's not doing what he's meant to do, there won't be boundaries. That's why you find kids keep quiet and they get into depression without us knowing. Mental issue, it's a serious problem. Depression is a serious problem. People end up killing themselves, children, because they can't take this picking sides. Some run away for good and never come back. Ahamba study Cape Town, ahlale Cape Town, angaphinda abuye.
And children should never be in a position where they have to pick sides.
True. I'll be honest with you, it's very unfair on the dads. They always have to have cash laying around. Moms, what are we doing? What are we doing for our children to have that cash also laying around at any time? A lot of parents are sitting with these kids at home saying, I'm liar, I'm gonna demand. And it's a lot. Men need to start showing up for their kids. And when I'm saying showing up, stop this thing of, I'm just sending money and I'm right. No. Don't send the money anymore. Go fetch your daughter, go fetch your son, go to the shop, drop the child home. Be involved. Because sometimes you send this money, are you sure it's going for the child? Because also children, you send the money, they are not told. The child grows up saying, my dad never contributed, my dad is not doing anything, my dad is a deadbeat. That time dad, yes, he's a deadbeat because physically he's not there, but financially he's there.
It goes back again to this boundaries. Set boundaries as a step parent. Set boundaries as a bio parent. Respect each other. Let that be the foundation and the rock of every relationship.
It's quite a scary thing that we find ourselves in because we're only thinking about ourselves and how to make the other person miserable. And that's it. For the sake of our children. As a mom, you need to heal for the sake of your child. As a dad, you need to heal for the sake of your children.